All right, 73 in Wiscasset, 70 in Portland for a high today. Coolest high temperature in Portland since July 10th, so it's been a while since we've been this cool. Satellite radar picture showing us some clouds. There are some showers back into Vermont, but this is our best chance overnight tonight over southern Maine to see an isolated sprinkle. I'm not super optimistic on that. For most of us, we're in the 50s tonight, warmer than the last few nights. You can see that quick shower being projected in this model, but it's pretty dry at the low levels, so it wouldn't shock me if those didn't actually hit the ground and they just showed up as a radar echo. But we'll keep an eye on it, maybe a quick sprinkle. Tomorrow's a cloudier day. Temperatures are in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, and there's an isolated shower chance in the mountains, a better chance of showers down in Massachusetts, but I think that rain will stay there. So once again, a day where we technically have a shower chance, I think will result in most of the state being dry through the day. And then Wednesday night is a cool night. Thursday looks great. It's about 70 to 75, a lot of sunshine, probably the best day of the work week at least. And then we start to see the outer bands, cirrus clouds at least, bands of Erin here on Friday morning. Friday's also a nice day, by the way. We'll talk about the wave aspect of that in a second. Here's Erin right now. Good news, no defined eye. It certainly has gone downhill over the last 24 hours or so, as we expected that it might. But it doesn't look totally discombobulated. It is still a Category 2 hurricane here. It's expected to hold at that over the next 24 hours or a little bit more even until Friday afternoon. And it will pass well to the south and east of us, but close enough that we'll see some of the waves. Now, the storm gets closest on Friday, but I think the waves are likely, for most of us, biggest on Saturday. So here we are Friday afternoon. Waves are biggest in the mid-coast and down east. And then by Saturday, because of the way the storm is moving off to our east, we see our biggest waves over the southern coast on Saturday, up to 10 feet, this model is projecting. So we'll see some big waves and obviously some rip currents, and those continue into early Sunday morning, and then things settle down. Maybe a stalled out front with showers and storms on Monday and Tuesday. Unclear where that front will stall though. Will it be Vermont or will it be Maine? There's actually a decent amount of rain at stake there, so that could be helpful if we can hit it just right. But obviously I don't have much reason to be super optimistic based on our recent trend. Is it in the dictionary?
Okay, so according to Merriam-Webster, which is a different dictionary than one we were talking about, it's not listed as a definition, but it is listed as slang.
Okay.
So slang for bet is an informal affirmative, sometimes used jokingly, similar to for sure.
Yes, and that's how Dana, I mean, I figured out.
Right.
I just figured out, but I also figured out I'm 42.
I'm with you there.
That's important.
And still, I don't think slang counts as a definition.
No,
it's just
I
a
agree.
choice.
I agree.
So we're not far off. All right, Keith, thank you.